Hello, urban monks. You know that feeling, right? You wake up after what should have been a good night's sleep and you're already exhausted. Your brain feels like it's wading through mud. Focus? That's a distant memory. You're running on fumes, but every doctor tells you everything looks normal. It's frustrating, it's debilitating, and often it points to a deeper, more profound issue: a compromised gut. Today, we're going to talk about something truly transformative: how to improve gut health naturally. This isn't just about digestion, my friends. This is about reclaiming your energy, sharpening your mental clarity, and igniting your overall vitality. As a Taoist monk and a doctor of Oriental medicine, I've seen firsthand how intricately connected our internal landscape is. And the gut, well, that's often the root of so much of what ails us in the modern world. Now, many of you experience this persistent fatigue, this brain fog, this general sense of burnout, and you've probably searched for answers in quick fixes or generic advice, right? But here's the thing: these symptoms are frequently rooted in a dysfunctional gut, specifically a condition known as leaky gut or increased intestinal permeability. And this isn't just about occasional digestive upset, this is a systemic issue. Imagine your intestinal lining as a finely woven mesh, a protective barrier. When that mesh becomes compromised, when it develops tiny holes, it allows things that shouldn't get through, like undigested food particles, toxins, and even bacteria, to leak into your bloodstream. What happens then? Your immune system, bless its heart, mounts a continuous inflammatory response. It's constantly on high alert. And this constant inflammation, it drains your energy reserves. It directly impacts your brain, leading to that pervasive brain fog and mental fatigue. In fact, this mechanism is a major contributor to feeling constantly tired, even after adequate sleep. Beyond that, this chronic low grade inflammation can disrupt the very production of your neurotransmitters, affecting your mood, your cognitive function, everything. As a doctor of Oriental medicine, I've seen countless patients whose adrenal fatigue or burnout was, in fact, a direct consequence of an inflamed gut. So, understanding this intricate connection, this is the first step toward genuine healing. It's not in your head, it's in your gut. But here's where most people go wrong: most people approach gut health with a flawed understanding, and that leads to frustrating dead ends. First, many focus solely on diet. They endlessly try elimination diets, cutting out entire food groups, only to find their symptoms return or new sensitivities emerge. This tactic often creates more stress and, frankly, more nutrient deficiencies in the long run. Second, there's a pervasive mindset mistake: believing that gut issues are isolated to the digestive tract. Conventional medicine, bless its heart, frequently treats symptoms in silos: antacids for reflux, laxatives for constipation, without investigating the systemic impact. They miss the crucial link between gut health and conditions like chronic fatigue, anxiety, or autoimmune issues. This narrow view, it prevents true healing. And third, the wellness industry often promotes a supplement first system. They encourage people to buy countless probiotics or digestive enzymes without a clear diagnostic strategy. Now, don't get me wrong, some supplements can be helpful, but they are not a magic bullet. Without understanding the specific imbalances in your microbiome or the integrity of your gut lining, you're essentially throwing darts in the dark. In my practice, we prioritize identifying the root cause rather than simply masking symptoms. That's the Taoist way. So, to truly learn how to improve gut health naturally, we must adopt a holistic framework, one that addresses the intricate connections within your body. I call this the gut brain immune axis framework. It focuses on three interconnected pillars: restore, rebalance, and rebuild. This approach moves beyond temporary fixes, aiming for sustainable wellness. Let's break them down. Pillar number one: restore gut integrity. The first step is to heal and seal your intestinal lining. As we discussed, many people suffer from increased intestinal permeability, that leaky gut, which allows those toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. This triggers systemic inflammation, contributing to brain fog, fatigue, and even mood disorders. So we must focus on removing irritants and providing the building blocks for repair. Common mistakes here include continuing to consume inflammatory foods or relying solely on probiotics at this stage. Instead, we emphasize a temporary elimination of common triggers like gluten, dairy, and refined sugars. Simultaneously, we introduce gut healing nutrients. Think L-glutamine, collagen, and specific botanicals that support mucosal repair. Simple practices like consuming nutrient dense bone broth can significantly aid this restoration process. Pillar number two, rebalance the microbiome. Once the gut lining begins to heal, the next critical step is to rebalance your gut microbiome. This complex community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms plays a profound role in digestion, immunity, and even neurotransmitter production. An imbalance known as dysbiosis can perpetuate inflammation and hinder nutrient absorption. Consequently, many of your symptoms will persist if this step is overlooked. Most people jump straight to generic probiotics, which may not be appropriate for their specific dysbiosis. Instead, we focus on a diverse whole foods diet rich in prebiotics. These are the fibers that feed your beneficial bacteria. Furthermore, targeted probiotic strains identified through advanced testing can be introduced to address specific imbalances. In my documentary, Interconnected, we explore just how crucial this microbial balance is for overall health and mood. It's mind blowing. And finally, pillar number three, rebuild systemic resilience. This is where we move beyond just the gut and integrate the whole system. This pillar focuses on strengthening your body's overall ability to adapt and thrive. It's about optimizing your nervous system, managing stress, and ensuring your body has the resources to maintain this newfound gut health. Think about it. Chronic stress directly impacts gut function. It can slow digestion, alter your microbiome, and even increase intestinal permeability. So, practices like mindfulness, meditation, and targeted breathwork are not just nice to haves, they are essential for sustained gut health. We also look at sleep optimization, gentle movement, and ensuring adequate nutrient intake to support all bodily systems. This holistic approach ensures that your gut health isn't just a temporary fix, but a foundational shift that supports your entire well being. So, there you have it, the gut brain immune axis framework: restore, rebalance, rebuild. It's a comprehensive, natural path to reclaiming your energy, sharpening your mind, and finding that vitality you've been missing. It's about moving beyond temporary fixes and achieving sustained energy, sharp cognition, and emotional balance. Your gut, my friends, is your second brain. And at the Urban Monk, we go deep on the microbiome, leaky gut, and the profound food mood energy connection. If you're ready to dive deeper to truly understand and heal your gut, I invite you to explore the resources we have available. Visit theurbanmonk.com. That's THEURBANMONK.com. Start your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Until next time, keep cultivating your inner wisdom.